all these Dream 11s and all, they will come from big houses, the biggest in the country. Why can't the government regulate, ensure survival of the poor who are the most outraged? This country cannot belong only to the big boys. For how long? How long can they profit from these poor guys, gullible guys? My mother got back from our native and told me about this family who used to live in our outhouse. Free rent में हम कुछ लोग को रखते हैं. Came to know कि that family was forced to migrate due to some crisis. पूछा मम्मी से, थोड़ा और पता चला कि ये बेचारे पहले कहीं और बड़े शहर से माइग्रेट होके नेटिव आए थे. अब कहीं और भागना पड़ा इनको. इनके बच्चों के स्कूल, इनके फीस भी हम देते थे. Finally dug deeper and my mother found out crisis आया था betting apps के कारण. I was shocked. I had met these people. He used to drive an auto. His children used to go to school. He was already in financial trouble, had forced to migrate from the city back to home. Finally came to know that the man was addicted to the betting apps. One IPL season wiped him out. Rest of the time also he used to play all those Ludos and pokers and all these Tingpattis and Rummies, which masquerade as skill-based games, which masquerade as fantasy games. And the IPL, the big boys, each of these apps, when I scrolled after that, I see that 50-80 crores per big app is being wagered in making teams. Nobody, no Michael Lal, no son of God can predict which of those 11 will flourish. But people are busy making teams. In fact, I have seen apps where you swipe for every ball and you can decide whether this will go for a 6 and you win the raffle on that ball. How is this fantasy? How is this skill? By no stretch of the imagination. Then when I see why there is rural distress, boss, rural distress is not due to only climate change. Rural distress is also due to a sleepy government. Who will regulate these guys? बस केवल 28% GST अंदर हो गए. हर ऐप में 50 करोड़ पर मैच अंदर हुए, उसमें से 10-15 करोड़ विनिंग्स में बांट दिए. बाकी सारे प्रॉफिट्स, all these Dream 11s and all, they will come from big houses, the biggest in the country. Why can't the government regulate, ensure survival of the poor who are the most outraged? This country cannot belong only to the big boys. For how long? How long can they profit from these poor guys, gullible guys?